Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So we could use the QR code scanner application or just also we get another way. I'll show you after that later. So open the QR code scanner, skip the ads, example the English. And now we should place our QR code inside of this frame. So I'll just do this. We could just send this link for someone to open it directly in browser, or to share it with someone, or just to copy and save it. So just tap to browse. For example, let's open it with a Google one, and this is the Wikipedia article. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find the scan QR codes icon. Tap to scan, and by the same way, tap here to open camera and place QR code inside of this frame, and we could see here that this is the link one. Just tap to open it, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.